What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, thumbs up the video. Come on and join the fun.
Sweet thing.
And now you're mine.
Welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. Welcome to another day of Vlogtober as well. If you missed out on all my other videos for October, go ahead and watch them and come back to this one. I have tons of footage out there. This video is going to be a little bit different. You may or may not know that my video got deleted. The first part of my video that I recorded yesterday got deleted. I had some storage issues with my phone, and I was on the phone with Apple for almost 2 hours this morning. So it just, things happen, you know. So I'm not too happy about it, but what can I do but move forward and stop complaining about it. The good thing about it is I am doing a video just like this one for tomorrow, which is today right now. So I could use the first part of that video and combine it with the footage that I still have from yesterday's video. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified when I post my content. Share this video, and leave me a comment down below. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to tell y'all what y'all need for this video. I do have the materials here, but since the project's already done, I'm just going to tell you what you need out of this basket, including the basket. But there's more added to this project because it's different. But you are going to need a noodle, preferably a black noodle, a broom handle. You're going to need a basket, a paper towel holder, zip ties, hot glue gun, hot glue sticks. You're going to need a skull. I can't believe I'm doing this again. I had a whole video completed, ready to be uploaded. A skull, a tablecloth or two, creepy cloth or two, scissors. What else? You can get like the handcuffs from Dollar Tree if you want to do this project. I'm just telling you what I used. And you need the skeleton hands at Dollar Tree as well. What else? That's about it. Okay. So I'm going to get into this video and show you how to put it together. Watch and enjoy. Flip over your basket, and you're going to zip tie your paper towel holder. And I'm actually going to go ahead and use my ottoman to help assist out. Okay, all right, sit it on there like that. And then just go ahead and zip tie. It helps to just bend it a little bit, the zip tie. Bend it like that. Hook it and pull it through the next hole. Catch it now. There we go. So I have 4 here, and I think I'm going to go in and add 1 here and 1 here in that space there. Let's go around and snip our zip ties off. I like to use tape and zip ties to make sure it's more secure. So what we're going to do now is stick our handle right here on the paper towel holder. You want the barcode going up, so wherever you screw in the broom, put it downward. And I mentioned this in my video yesterday, the one that got deleted. We're doing this together. I ain't never did this project before a day in my life. So. Clothing basket, paper towel holder, and our handle. Alright, sweetie, so for this part, you're going to want to poke 2 holes in the skull right here. Use your scissors, or you can use a little screwdriver. Poke a hole here, a hole here, and you're going to make like a square here. So you can cut a square out, poke a hole, stretch it out with your scissors, and cut a square out. Because what you want to do is put the zip tie through this hole, and you need to take it out through this hole, but you have to have your finger in the square to kind of guide the zip tie through the next hole. Okay? Once you do that, you're going to zip tie your skull to the top of the handle. Okay? Zip tie it a couple times if you want. Add some hot glue in there to stick it some more. Alright, so what we're going to do now is take our black hanger and we're going to go ahead and zip tie it right where the barcode's at. So about right there. We're just going to fold the noodle in half and cut it down the middle. You're going to zip tie the noodle to each side of the hanger. You want to put it in, push to the smaller side, poke a hole here, and zip tie around. Stick it in there. Y'all ready? This one I'm putting downward. I'm kind of pushing up so the steak can go down and stick. I'm still going to force that hand in there. We're going to turn Mr. Sir here and put some hot glue around this part. So it's time for our creepy cloth and our handcuffs. I thought it was a chain, but they're handcuffs, of course. And with the chain, I'm just gonna let it hang right here. So squeeze your little fingers together, skeleton. I'm gonna take it back. And let's hot glue it. Alright, sweeties, here's the finished product. Let me lift the camera up a little bit so y'all can see. I decided to leave the candle alone because it don't work anyway. So I just put the handcuffs on both of his arms. But I hope y'all like it. How y'all like it for a Dollar Tree DIY project, period. Bomb.com. I hope y'all enjoyed this Dollar Tree DIY project. Give this video a fat thumbs up, subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and click the bell so you're notified when I post my next video. Share this video, leave me a comment down below. And I'll see y'all tomorrow for another day of Vlogtober. I'm out. Peace.
your mind.